Yesterday was indeed a very special day as we get to watch, finally, Hello Love Again, starring Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. And of course, maraming salamat BDO for finding ways to make this happen.
This is our way, our special way of giving thanks to our loyal customers and other brand clients. Reason why we are sponsoring a special black screening of the movie of Alden Richards and of course Catherine Bernardo. Mag-i-enjoy po tayo lahat ngayon. We will relax and I'm sure may mga bawal po ba kayong tissue. Mamapanuhan tayo sa movie, but then this is a very heartwarming film and we're very excited that this is our way to give a special treat to all our video clients.
I'd like to thank you for being part of this special screening since we like to find ways to delight and show appreciation to all of you, our valued clients. We came up with this black screening,
where we will be showcasing our new and latest BDO endorser. Okay? He has played a key role in helping us promote our digital innovation designed to make banking easier and more convenient. At BDO, we always find new ways to innovate, to make banking experience better and better.
Black screening. Hope you enjoyed the movie po at sana marami kayong matutunan with our film. Maraming salamat po to my video family sa pagsuporta sa Hello Love Again. And I'm glad that I found my ideal partner with BDO.